Today, we take you inside the PWR-3 stabilizer. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, unscrew the screw, then open the top panel. Let me show you this is our AC contactor, surge protector, MCCB, and isolating switch. The internal layout is clear and modular, and we can see 2 voltage regulators and 2 carbon brushes. This one is our compensating transformer, and this one is power transformer. This one is return plate, and the last one is AC contactor. Let me show you the back of the stabilizer. We can switch between CT power and stabilizer by this, and also can output to 20 or to 30. These are input ports, these are output ports, and those are 3 fans to cool the machine. Now, we can see the power on check. The screen displays real-time voltage. Notice, over voltage protection triggers and automatically recovers once voltage normalizes. Here, under voltage protection activates, followed by automatic recovery. Observe, all temperature triggers and now recovery. Look, time delay protection triggers and now recovery. Overload protection triggers when current exceeds rated value. Now we can see assembly complete. And 3 application scenarios, ideal for industrial, medical, and commercial applications. Do you need more information? Please contact us today.